That is hysterical.
Here's something I'm wondering.
Yeah.
He always goes for the white or the yellow.
Oh,
I
yeah?
think he has trouble seeing the others. See? He didn't go for the red or the blue or green. I can't say the others.
I don't know. I think that's odd. Oh crap, I'm losing it. Come here, grab it. Grab it. Hey, can you make it smaller? Put it down. Don't play with the...
See? It's always the white one. Oh, I'm curious
I wonder if
they
he can't see. He might not. He might not be able to see
It's either
the...
the yellow or the white that he goes after.
Yeah,
See?
look at that. George is like, seriously, guys? Honestly? That's hysterical.
Disco Kitty. Kind of like, I can finally see color.
Okay, big fella. You can go ahead and mess with it. Well, hang on. He's... Okay.